Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome applesauce cake. It's really easy to make and you don't need any base. So let's get started. Follow my channel to see more of my videos and recipes. First of all, let's do the dry ingredients. A glass of semolina, then a glass of flour and half a glass of sugar and 2 tablespoons of soda. After, we're using half of a kilogram of apples. You can use any type of apples, they work the same. We take out the seeds and then we shred the apples, not using the skin. After, you just use some butter to butter the base, then you add some flour. At the end, on top, add the dry mixture. After, add the apples. Using a spoon. Then add again a layer of dry ingredients. Then add again apples, the shredded apples that you did before. Then again a layer of dry ingredients and again apples. Don't use the water of the apples. And the last layer will be the dry ingredients. After, add some butter pieces on top. You'll need 100 grams. Then put it in the oven for 1 hour in 180 degrees Celsius. Then flip it and maybe if you have some time, leave it for the night. Add some sugar and this will be it. This is the result and it tastes delicious and I'm sure you would like to try this because this is as original and awesome recipes. If you like this recipe, give me a like and follow my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.